I'll set this 2-burner grill from VEVOR and ask you my opinion on it. Make this short video. Hey, this is a great rig here. It's super portable. It's got 2 burners. Anywhere you can take this out camping, to the beach, out on the lake. All you got to do is bring your propane with you. And if you don't want to bring such an extensive tank as that, you can just use these here as well. This will thread on to the bottom here. And they got different adapters and such to let you use small portable ones also. But this is a full-blown gas grill, and it's got some nice features that make it easy to take with you on the road. So on each side, there's some spring-loaded clamps that hold the cover down. Get your owner's manual. This one has 2 burners. They make other versions that have more. This is the most compact one that I saw, but it's a full-blown grill. You've got your regular grates here, drip trays here, and then the burner down below. And this will also allow you to clear it out like you would a regular grill. It sits on these legs. It's got 4 legs there. It allows some clearance from the bottom. And then you've got a drip tray here that's easy to slide out and clean. And then when I lock that in place the right way, it won't fall out. So that helps me when I'm carrying it. I shut the top, latch the lid, grab the cord, and I'm ready to go. It's got a temperature reading here right on the top like a full-blown grill would have. They give you all the parts you need. You get this regulator, you get the line, and you get the connecting there that connects onto the standard style propane tanks these days. Overall, I'm pretty pleased with it. Let's fire it up and see how it works here. You've got a automatic light here. Just as you push it down in, it's going to click. And there we go. I don't know if you heard that, but we've got heat. We're on max right here. And yeah, we're already cooking. So yeah, definitely very cool setup. Turn that back off. I'm pleased with it. It's very sturdy. The whole thing's stainless. There's no plastic or anything on this grill. Really well done. Hope that helps. Have a great day.